So I started by busting out my heat gun and removing the contact paper from the inside of the drawers and on the bottom shelf. I have to admit, it always warms my heart when I see lined drawers because it means someone took the time to take care of their pieces. As you can see, it really doesn't matter how many years the paper has been stuck on. Heat will remove it really easily. So if you ever have anything like wrappers, price tags, gum, wallpaper, contact paper, anything that has a stickiness or gluiness to it, heat will always remove it nicely.